YouTube?
Yeah, we're going live on YouTube, yes, so that you can rewatch the streams and just have everything as a backup.
Damn, I'm live on YouTube.
Right, yes, we are live. Right, let's start.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Bro, there's no setup at all. I've been monitoring the market for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, it has been a little bit. It's just pushing at this point.
It's consolidating lah.
Yeah,
There
now
was a
yes.
push. I wanted to ask you one question actually.
Yeah.
Wait, Uh, this is not a setup, right? Because there's other things here.
Uh, it depends. It depends. Can we go down to the 15?
15, yeah.
Right. So if you look at the 15 now, we do have a potential entry at 1:30. As we know, 1 o'clock, 1:30 is where volume comes in, right?
Yeah.
And if you look
Mhm.
at this, we are basically breaking out of a support.
Yeah.
So if you want, you could go in with an impulsive entry on the next candle as a type A sell,
Okay.
right?
So
But
you wouldn't think so much about this support?
no, because we have volume. So volume tends to break through resistance and support zones. It'll just break through and push them,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So anything before 1 o'clock, then I would be cautious. I would stay up. But for this, I would say it's still okay, but then the risks are still there. A better entry would be below this or even below this support, right?
So I
It's
mean
either
that's
one.
what I was thinking about
Yeah.
also.
So
But
let's see how it
let's
works out,
let's
right?
take this first.
Yeah.
I mean, let's wait for 1 minute. If it breaks through, it breaks through
Yeah,
now.
if it breaks, it breaks. Can't do much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's an impulse entry. So what's your bias for the day, bro?
It's sell.
Right. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, there's a lot of volume coming in.
Yeah, how come like
Ooh.
when you came online only there was volume? There was no volume just now at all. It's 1 o'clock.
Usually, if at 1 o'clock there's no volume, it will be at 1:30. That's how it works.
Mm,
Every 30 candle closure, or sometimes even the 15 closure. Yeah. Can we go with the quick analysis? I don't think the trade will play out, so let's go with the quick analysis
yeah, okay.
of the daily. You can just use your MT5. You don't have to go to trading view. Just quickly scroll through.
Oh, on my MT5.
Yeah, just use this straight away. Easier.
Okay. So I have to make it smaller lah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the current bias here is sells.
right.
Wait, oh shit. Ask me the subjects lah. Our 4 also was sells just now. It broke below here,
Right.
but now it's consolidating more. But yeah, of course, you need to break towards here to be a buy lah.
Right.
So at the moment, everything is sells at the moment.
Right.
And then for my 15, it'd be good if it breaks below here lah.
Yes, that's an ideal entry point.
Here
But
also okay, but then
impulse, that
here
is
would be
considered as
better.
an impulse. And you don't have
Yeah,
proper
so here would be
confirmation, but
better for sell, and
yep,
here would be better for buy.
yep, 100%. 100%.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, wait,
Yeah,
um, yeah, because I took a screenshot of it. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah. So example, right?
right,
Okay. Yeah, correct. So here we have red, green, red, right? Three of this is like in a no trading zone, kinda.
correct,
And then we have this green candle, and then we
right,
have this red candle.
right.
Would this candle be a type C if all five are close to each other?
You mean like this?
Yeah, would this be
Types,
a type C? Because this green, red, and green
right?
are
So
like a type C movement, but we have these three other candles.
yes, so this is considered as a type C entry. You could go with an impulse entry, but what I would like to see is because
Mm-hmm.
it's still within that range there. You see, there's no
Yeah.
body with a proper body closure above resistance. So what I like to do is with this type of structures, I would like to see this candle closing bullish first, and then we go in on the next candle. That would be better,
Ah, okay. I
right?
mean,
Because at that point you will have a body closure above resistance, above all the resistance, right? That would be a better entry point.
yeah. Okay, I mean, I waited for that, like, it didn't happen.
Yeah. So if that didn't happen, then you could
Yeah.
just always go with another type C, which is you break above the resistance, come down, and then we push back up. that would be a better type C.
I waited for this green to go, and then it did went.
Yeah.
Then I waited for another
I mean,
buy.
like example, like sometimes if you have a London Open, New York Open
Mhm.
during the peak hours, peak volume, you could go into the trade, go with half the risk, impulse, right? Go in with half the risk, and then place your stop loss at the 50% mark of the candle,
Okay.
right? Because you're going with the impulse of volume, right? So when there's
Mhm.
volume, price should not come back down. It should just break through and push up.
But we didn't get the 1-to-1 just now. It went back up, then it pushed down.
Okay. So yeah, it makes sense because ideally it would be better if you get a closure above and then. Well,
That's good. Yeah, that's what I wanted to
yeah.
ask. Because I was thinking.
So in order for you to get a proper type C, you need to see a candle closing above resistance, right?
Understood.
Within this type of structures, and
Yeah.
that would be a better entry. Something like this. Clear, bro?
Green, red, and green. Okay.
Yes. So essentially, on the lower time frame, it's just printing higher highs and higher lows. A high,
Yeah,
higher low, and then the push up. That's all it is. Clear, bro?
clear.
Beautiful. Ooh, we'll give it up till 2:45.
And everything is consolidating today.
Yeah, it's just so for me, I would like to go with a break above this and a break below this. That's a better setup.
100%.
The
100%.
overall structure.
Just now we have, but then we didn't get it lah.
Yeah, correct.
The one I showed you just now.
Yep.
Yeah, we didn't get it because the green, it didn't break above the green. Like this one
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here, the green
Exactly
was
like
there.
that.
I was waiting for it. I put it the buy stop over here.
Mm,
It came down until here or somewhere.
yeah.
Then it continued breaking down. So
Oh,
it
you wanted
didn't.
to go in as a type A buy, correct?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
This one
Makes
lah
sense.
basically. Type D, yeah. Green, red, green.
Type B, you need to clearly see the push to the downside and then a
No, not
proper
type
break.
D, type D. Green, red, green.
Ah, yeah, then it makes sense. If it was
Yeah.
a type D, your entry would have been on this breakout here. Impulse.
This small breakout,
Yeah,
yeah. But I
correct.
didn't want to take it on this
Yeah.
breakout because I wanted it to break the red color at
Mm.
least.
Yep. So if you
Yeah.
broke that, at that point you're tapping another resistance. So now it becomes a
Mm.
type A setup.
Understood.
So you need to play within the range. You need to be able to differentiate the highs and the lows. Like
Yeah, I also want to focus more on type C and type D because I wanted to learn. I
yeah.
feel like I'm just looking at the things. Then I was like, okay. Like this is a type C, right? No, type D.
I would go with a type D on that, not really a type
Yeah, this is
C.
type D, right?
Yeah,
Because
on
it
this
went
candle.
here. Yeah,
Correct.
red, red. Yeah, so I was trying to find like the same format,
Mm.
green, red, green. So because like we have a lot of green, and
Yeah.
then there's like 1, 2 reds, but I never managed to got it. Never managed to get it.
Okay, so for that to work out, I would say if this current 15 closes strong bullish like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next candle just goes down, creates a bottom week and breaks the high. That is a type D as well, impulse
Yes,
type D.
correct. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Green, red, green. Yeah,
Yep.
correct.
So, but then the body needs to close somewhere over here, strong,
Yes,
and
of
then the
course.
next candle.
Which is why I didn't go for this because the body didn't close strong.
Yeah, correct. But there are scenarios where we will still execute this type of trades,
This
especially
one.
during peak hours, or even if this setup was on the hourly, I would have gone in because the hourly is a stronger time frame,
Understood.
right? Like a small doji candle and then the hourly breaking the previous low or even the previous high tends to be a good push back to the downside.
But yeah, so I was just monitoring lah. I mean,
Yeah,
like this thing was very helpful.
yeah, the screenshot.
The entry types.
Yep.
So I was just looking at that. Like you asked me to look at that just in
Yeah,
case,
just
right?
compare first. Yep.
I'm not how to say too comfortable with it
Yep.
because I'm still learning the type C and D
Yes.
because we can't get B and A all the time.
A B and A is they are an ideal entry, but the problem is
Yeah,
you don't really get them all the time. Most of
correct.
the
Yeah,
time, it will be impulse entries.
understood.
It's just how the volume works. Sometimes you get good entries, sometimes you get bad entries. Yeah, can't do much. Just have to go through and manage it with proper lot size. Can we put in your no trading zones, bro?
Yeah, and
Highs and lows. Yeah.
I'll just make it smaller so it'll be easier to see. Here you can't draw, right? So you just put the box
Yeah,
here
you
now.
just put in the line. That's all. Yesterday 3 o'clock we did have a type D entry on the 15. Let me highlight that for you.
Type B.
Today was what's the day today? Tuesday.
Yeah,
Sunday.
yesterday I wasn't feeling so well. That's why I didn't go jump on trade because I didn't want to execute when I'm not feeling
Ah,
well. Yeah.
right. Open up your WhatsApp, bro. Highlighted the entry that we took yesterday. That is a perfect type D.
Oh yeah, this one lah. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I saw, I
yeah,
saw,
that's the one.
I saw. I think I wanted to come online yesterday night,
Hmm.
but I thought you have a class with the person, so I just left it.
Yeah, what's his name? Your brother and Jay were in as well. We were just chit chatting and then executing trades as well. You can rewatch the
Ah,
stream yesterday's entries on our YouTube page. It's all there.
yeah, I wanted to join yesterday's
Yeah.
class. I was only calling.
We got a
And
good sell yesterday night. Quite good.
yeah, I saw the type D entry. I was like, oh, maybe I should have. But
Yeah,
you
that
also
was that was a type D as well. Correct. Yesterday night. Yeah.
you told me the 50K, like I need to try to manage it on my own, right? So
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
why I didn't go also.
No worries. But you still
But yeah,
have
next
a
time,
separate account, right?
yeah, next time if I'm free, I'll probably execute it on the 20K account.
Yeah. I
But probably
don't.
play with heavier risk, lah. Like you said, like it's only $20, right? So I can
Yep.
just play with it, right?
Yep. 1 to 2%. Here we good. So
Yeah,
maybe risking about $40 or maybe $50. Up to
yeah.
you. Yeah, this is the first time 1 o'clock we don't have much volume. For a long time.
Yesterday also didn't have one.
Yesterday we got a good trade, right?
No, yesterday I didn't come. I
Oh
was
yeah,
off.
you got a trade on Monday. Tuesday there was no trade.
Monday we got a trade.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Let's see. Yes, yesterday. When we see yesterday,
It was, Tuesday 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock here.
Yeah, that was a good push.
At 1:40.
That was a
two
good
o'clock
push.
lah. Two
Yeah, two
o'clock.
o'clock. Yep.
2 o'clock. This was okay. This is good. Yeah, yeah. 2 o'clock was good. Yeah, 1 o'clock didn't have any.
Yeah, precisely 2 o'clock. Ngam ngam.
Mm,
So the idea is, if example, if 1 o'clock you don't have volume, 1:30 you don't have volume, you should expect volume to come in either at 2 o'clock, 2:30, or maybe 3 and 3:30. That's when the market opens up.
mm,
That's the best time to execute during London. When there's no volume for pre-London, usually there will be a lot of volume for London Open.
yeah. So that means you will wait from 1 o'clock to 3:30 lah.
Example, if 1 to 1:30, if there's no trade, then I just call it a day. Come back at 2:30 or 2:15, something like that.
Okay. You'll check
Uh,
1 to 1:30
just
lah.
every 30 minutes, just have a look at your charts. If there's any setup, then just go in. You
So
don't
one
have
o'clock to
to.
one
Yeah.
one o'clock to 1:30 you will check. Then
Yeah.
you'll check at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
2 o'clock to 2:30. If 2:30 nothing, you'll come back at 3.
Correct. Every 30-minute closure, because every 30 minutes is when volume tends to come in.
Understood? Okay, so you check 30 minutes, then you rest 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you don't have to sit at the screen the whole day, the whole time.
Yeah, I mean, I was checking from like 1 o'clock to 1:30 now.
Just put an alert on your phone, like every 30 minutes, 1 to 3 o'clock, every half an hour. Just
Yeah, I was like, okay, there's no setup here. Let me use my phone a bit.
because your session is just London, so it should be from 1
Pre
to 2 hours maximum.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pre-London
yeah,
like.
your pre-London will be 1 to 3 o'clock, plus minus. Yeah.
Mm,
Sometimes 2:45 is when you get a trade, so you have to extend to 3 o'clock. It depends.
yeah.
Like now, there's nothing here. There's no point. Even if you just sit here for another 1 hour, there's nothing. Just struggling.
So what do we do now? Do we just
Yeah,
leave it?
just wait.
We just wait now.
Yeah, just wait. That's the proper process of trading and all. But this area is still an area of concern. If you get a closure
Yes,
below,
that's why
that's why I just wait on for a while.
this
Up to
one
you.
and also this one.
Correct. Can we
So
go
that's
to
why
the hourly
that's why
quickly?
I didn't take any.
Yeah, it is a clean range of the hourly actually. Clean candle.
Yeah, it has to break this now.
Correct. Yes. Below that is even cleaner. Much cleaner. It's a bit messy
Like for
today.
me, buy like I would go with half the risk. Sell I would go with the
Yep.
full
100%.
percent because it's against my
Yeah, bias.
bias. Yeah.
By the way, for today, your executions will be done 100% on you. I won't be assisting at all
Yeah, I can.
because we went through 2 days of assisting, and I showed you the ins and outs and all that. So after
Yeah,
this, you should be able to do it on your own.
yeah,
The most important thing is the risk management SOP. That's very very important.
understood.
Right, 1 more minute to go for new 15.
If like this kind, right, if it's very long, right,
Right.
do you wait for confirmations or do you, when it breaks, you automatically execute?
So I would like to see how the candle closes was mainly on the 30 and the hourly. So example, if your current 30 just melts down and closes like this, I'm not going to take the
Mhm.
next sell. The next candle
Okay,
breaking down, I'm not going to go in. Why? It's because I need the 15 to close bullish, and then the next candle goes down. That's when I'll be going in for a sell.
okay.
So basically, I need a lower time frame to print a lower low, lower high, and then we go in. Right?
Uh-huh.
Because the idea is that if your candle closes super strong bearish like this, in order for
Mm,
us to continue back to the downside, we need more orders, we need more liquidity, right?
okay.
The only way that we'll get liquidity is if the candle goes up, or like within this range or this range. It depends. So imagine
Doesn't
you,
have to close bullish lah, just needs to go up.
yeah, it just needs to go up, collect orders, and then after that it has to close bullish, and
Okay.
then on the third candle we go in because
Oh, third candle.
yeah, if you
Oh,
if you go in too early, example on the immediate break you go in, the
mhm.
candle it tends to go back up first, create a steeper pullback, and then go back to the downside,
Okay.
right? Especially on the 30-minute time frames. So that is why we need to be cautious when you have. Yes, it looks like a very very good type A, like you might just melt down, but
Yeah.
ideally it's better to wait. This would be a better type A, something like this, right? This is a better type A. This is not a good type A.
That's like a type B lah.
Yeah. Structure wise, and
Mm.
but then the structure also plays a very big part because you have two types of structure. One is within the candle range, and then the other one is the overall, the major highs and major lows, right? Like within this
Mhm.
structure, you still have minor structures as well, right? If you get a strong candle closing bullish like this, I'm not gonna take the buy because I'm gonna wait for the pullback and then push up. But
Mhm.
if you get a strong candle closing something like this, then this is a better type A. Because now this is your
Oh,
minor high, minor low. This is your major high, major low. That's the difference.
I
You're
get what
playing,
you mean.
yeah, playing within the range.
If it's just this one just pushing, you won't. But if this one goes up here and then the other candle push, then you will go into it.
Yes, correct.
Okay,
Because
same
now,
here lah. So if it closes around here, you will be okay.
yep,
But then when it goes up and then it comes around here, then you'll take it.
that is better. Yeah, but if the current single candle just melts down straight away like this, nah, I'm not gonna go
Okay.
in. It's
Okay.
invalid.
Uh-huh.
But sometimes it might just work out, lah. But we need to go with probabilities, right? If you pushed a lot, it has to go up first and then go back down. It makes more sense. So this is the 15 structure, and this is how the 30 will look with a long top. So yeah, let's see what happens. 15 plus minus 10 minutes to go for the new Hour 4 candle and also the new 30 and the hourly. And remember to shift through your 30, 15, and also the hourly as the candle closes,
Mm.
just to get a better idea of what is happening. And the worst thing you can do is the moment you see a structure, straight away you jump into a trade. That's the worst thing you can do, right? Be more patient. Santai, santai sikit. This is gonna take a long, long time, bro. 10 more minutes to go. Bro, can you readjust your support?
This one?
Yeah, it should be on the orange line. Yeah.
Oh, you want to put it here?
Yes. Just that's
I-
a weak fill.
What is it?
Yep, it is on the higher time
Oh.
frames.
Oh, okay. So you would break below here and you'll take the sun.
Not really break, but then I would like to see a closure.
What if it close here and then the other one close here? Then you would take it lah.
Okay, so if a current candle closes bearish like this, without
Oh.
breaking, and then the next candle pushes through, I'm not gonna go in for the sell. It's too risky,
Okay.
right? I would like to see a bullish closure here, and then if it break, that would be a better sell.
So you're basically looking for type C entries lah.
If you have a support being respected, then a type C. But if the support has been taken out, then yeah, it's a textbook type A. Simple as that. Nine minutes to go. Bro, look at your hour fall. Just to... Yeah, hour fall is gonna close bearish as well. And so if the next hour fall breaks below this, it'd be a good push to the downside. Lower low, lower high, yeah. Good looks. Yeah, we place out.
I mean, it seemed like this, right? It broke below here and then it went all the way down.
Yeah, correct. But look at how the way that it went down. You pushed all the way to the upside first. Reason is because the candle closed super strong bearish, right? So if you went in too early, you would have been stopped out, and then the price went up first, and then it went back down. So that's why I like to wait for the candle to close, and then we go in on the next candle, the third candle. The size of the candle really matters, the way it closes above. So there's a difference between this and this. Right? Two types of different candle closure above resistance. This is invalid. This is valid.
Oh.
The size of the candle matters. You're up 1% on your account, correct?
Around 1%, yeah.
Yeah, around 1%. So 9% to go. You get 10, and 6 to get 7. Today's entry I will key in for you in the Excel sheet, and then I will forward it back to you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just terrible. Too bad. Might be a no trading day today. Looks like it.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, hopefully not. Yeah. 4 minutes to go. I do prefer the 30 minutes no trading zone better. We go to your 30, bro.
10.
30 minutes. Bro, move to your 30. Right, so yeah, this resistance, yeah. Better on the 30.
You want me to bring down the resistance?
Yeah, correct. Bring it down a bit.
To over here.
Yes, because it's a clean top week on the 30. So if this current candle closes bullish, next candle bottom week break the high, looks good. Looks good for a buy. Let's see how we close first. We're not gonna go in with an impulse. We still need a closure above. 3 minutes to go for that. Few minutes to go. Oh man, fish, fish. Fish and breakthrough. Nice. Beautiful.
So now the next one, you just wait for it to create a bottom wick and then you'll go in.
Yeah, it's type A.
Oh.
But I do need a substantial bottom, a good enough one.
That's good.
Small one is a little bit risky. At least 30% to 50% of the previous candle. That will be an ideal entry point. Somewhere over here. And yeah, let 1 minute pass. Then we'll see how it goes. Right, I'm gonna be silent now. I'm just gonna watch you execute and manage your trade. How many candle has closed?
What we think, we become. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. What we think, we become. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. What we think, we become. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. Don't wake up. What we think, we become. Don't wake up. Don't wake up.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful.
What we think, we become. Don't wake up. Don't wake up.
What are you waiting for, bro? Waiting for. What's your plan?
To break below this because it didn't come down all the way to 30%.
Right.
Oh, so I
So
would like it to close and then the other one come down, then I'll go for a buy.
right, so 215.
Yep. Because this one not a substantial bottom, it didn't go
Yeah,
low,
yeah.
very small. Risky to take it. But now it's good because it's going to break above our initial resistance.
Our no trading zone.
Yeah. We need to push a bit more.
Can we go to your 30, bro? Yeah, it is actually a good type A.
Yeah, we'll just I followed what you just said lah. The better bottom weight,
Yep.
30 to 50%. But yeah, I think it's safer. I mean, if this was a funded account, like I have to take it like a funded account, I wouldn't go for the trade because it was in a no trading zone. And then this one broke up for the confirmation.
Right. 8 more minutes to go for the closure. See how it goes.
Yeah. Would you have went in here?
Yeah, 100%. Because this year, we're actually breaking out of a Howl 4. Let's go to your Howl 4 time frame. Right. Sorry, where's it? Howl 4 or Howl 1? Let me double check. Check your Howl 1. Yeah, Howl 1. Yep.
Ah, there. Okay.
I would have gone in. Yep.
Understand.
Clean range on the left. That's why I asked you to shift through the time frames. So
Yeah,
that,
our one. So you go down, then you go up back.
correct.
But in terms of our one, then you only will take it over here.
Yeah, on the break of that. Yep.
Oh, but then it wouldn't have completed the order yet. What? It wouldn't have hit 1% yet.
Almost, I mean, the trade would have been running in profits.
Running in profits, like
Yeah.
yeah.
Correct.
What do you mean?
Because you can always manage your trade if it doesn't work out.
Correct. Now it's over here. Now it's touching the resistance.
Yeah. But a better entry would 100% be on this here. Because we rejected this resistance and then we broke the high. So that is actually a valid buy.
Understood.
So in the future, if you see this happening, that we are rejecting a support or a resistance and then flipping, it is a valid entry. Look at that flying up.
Ah, okay. Because the thing touch over here.
Yeah, touch. So the criteria is 30% of the candle, 50% or a resistance or a support rejection. That's the three criteria.
Okay, I understand that.
So for this, it's we rejected the resistance. Would have been a valid setup if you went in, but you didn't go in, so just wait. Let's see how the 15 closes.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay, now I get it. Okay, because it touched over here, so that means it's okay.
Yep, resistance, rejection. And also remember we have volume during this session. 2 o'clock. Oh man, look at that.
I put a thing on it just in case. Oh, never mind, I don't really need it actually. Oh wait, I'll just put it just in case.
Yeah. So now you can see the candle is overextended at this point. So for the next candle to go back up, it doesn't make sense for you to go the next candle. So what we have to do is wait for a pause and go setup.
But this cannot be a confirmation candle.
Nope, because it's an elongated candle. Remember we discussed this earlier. If it's the candle is too long, we're not gonna go in on the next candle. Even if it flies up, I'm not gonna be bothered. I need to see a support being formed, and then we break the resistance.
Okay. But what if it close over here then?
If you close over here, I want to see the next candle closing bearish, and then the third candle breaking the high. Either
So
way,
whatever is it, you only will go in at 230 lah.
yes, I want to see the 30 closing first. Because we missed the push, right? After this, it doesn't make sense for price to just continue higher like that. Doesn't make sense at all. So keep this in mind for tomorrow's entries. Right?
Understood.
Another option would be a sell, where if you have a bullish closure, sorry, a bearish closure, next candle create a top wick and break the low, impulse type B.
Type B, okay.
Yeah. Because you know your plan A is still sells.
Yes, let me see some.
So that would complete the cycle of a lower low, lower high, consolidation, and then push back down at a support key level as well. Yeah, we just have to wait at this point. Nothing much. 4 minutes to go for a new 15. That would have been a great, and 1 to 2, 1 to 3 easily. Two minutes to go. And always remember, if pre-London we were bullish, usually when it opens, the market opens up, it'll go in the opposite direction, back to sells. So that's why I'm okay with taking the false sell. Let me.
230, right?
Yeah, 230. Yep. 17 minutes to go. new candle. See what happens.
Yeah, I would have went in over here now.
Yeah, it's risky. If he goes, right? There's no trade. You missed the first push. This is too risky. No proper bottom wick as well.
No, not now. Like I'll wait for a 1 minute rule now, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what if it touched the resistance over here and then it push up?
Still not comfortable with that because it's overextended. I need to see a support formation and then a breakup.
Oh.
If he goes, right? No FOMO.
I'm a bit confused because you said this one you need to wait for the support formation, but this one you didn't have to wait.
Yeah, because here we are breaking out of a resistance with a candle closing respecting a resistance, correct?
Okay, so we broke. Okay, wait.
Go to your 30, bro. 30 minutes. Go to your
30.
30. Right, so look at this. This is a good, strong candle closing bullish, correct?
Okay.
And this is breaking out of a fresh zone where we were consolidating and then we broke out of it. But now we look at the size of the candle, right? Candle is super elongated.
Okay.
So even if you're closing above a resistance on the 15, but then on the 30, it's an overextended candle. So for this 30 to just continue back higher, it doesn't make sense at all. If it wants to go, it can go, right? But I need to see confirmation. So where will my confirmation come from? It'll be on the next 30-minute candle, right? And at that point, your 30 is going to reject this area and probably go back to the downside. Because it's overextended, we need to come down, print a higher low, and then go back up. If you want to go up, right? The same cycle happened over here. So look at this. If you want to go down, it has to come up first. That's your top wick. And then only then it goes back to the downside.
Understood.
So now it's overextended. The next candle might go all the way to the downside, create a long bottom wick, and then eventually go back up. So we don't want to jump into the risky setups.
Farm?
It looks clean here, but then on the 30, the problem is it's an overextended candle, so I'm not happy with that. That's why you need to shift through your time frames just to look at the higher time frame candles. And yeah, go to your hourly as well. If you look at your hourly, look at that. Every single candle is super strong bullish. The only reason why we could have executed here is because we were breaking out of a resistance on the hourly as well.
Okay.
But now it's just pushing up, and for you to take a buy immediately, yeah, quite risky. If he goes, right? You missed the entry. That's it. Right, 15. Ooh, would have been a beautiful buy, man. Beautiful buy. CP3. Beautiful. So look at this candle. It doesn't have a bottom wick, so now there's a very, very high chance for this guy to leave behind a long top wick and close as a doji candle, and the next candle just breaks the low. That is a possibility as well, because we don't have a bottom wick. Ten minutes to go. 30. Look at that. Rejection. This is why we don't go into overextended candle entries. Right, 10 minutes to go. I would like to see this candle closing bearish. That would be better for us to go with the type B. See? If you took the trade, for sure hit stop loss. Right, 9 more minutes to go. Let's see. See if our plan B works out or not. Sorry, plan A works out or not.
So we wait for this to close.
Yeah, wait for this to close and then type B impulse
Understood.
on the next candle. This guy needs to close bearish. You see how we avoided the candles by just, I mean, avoided taking a bad trade by just understanding and reading the candles. See how it's forming and all that. And look at that rejection. 9 more minutes to go.
But I wouldn't have taken this one. I would have waited, like I said, because we had a no trading zone, right?
Yeah, correct.
I would have waited for confirmation and then for the other one to go up.
You mean body closure above, right?
Body closure, yeah. Because we drew our no trading zone over here or just now.
Correct.
Before.
Correct.
Yeah, so I would like the whole here. And also, because buy was my plan B.
Correct. Your plan A is sells.
Yeah, plan A.
But yeah, either way, even if the candle body closed above as well, still a risky setup because as I mentioned, it's an overextended structure. Right, we are pushing it straight from a support straight up.
So even if it closes over here, for example,
I wouldn't go in.
And then the next candle goes here and then goes up, you wouldn't go in.
Nope. Everything is still overextended. I would have waited for a new bearish closure and then the third candle breaking the high.
Okay.
And this only applies for overextended candles. I'll highlight the structure and you can just read through that as well. I put in the
so now
WhatsApp.
we have, for example, we have a bearish candle.
Right.
But we can't wait for it to break through here, right? Because that's a big fail, right?
Okay, so if you have a current candle closing bearish and the next candle closes
Around
bullish like this,
yeah,
this is a valid entry like this.
So you would go from up here now?
No, if it doesn't break through and it just closes bullish, I will go in on the fourth candle as a type D buy. Something
You
like
would
this.
see want it to break. Okay, I get what you mean.
So no matter what, I need to see a support formation and then a body closing above, no matter what.
Okay.
That is very, very important because if
you need to see the body closure.
Yeah, because if you don't have a support, it doesn't make sense at all for price to just continue up. Unless there's major news or something happen around the world, then it might happen. But to be go with probabilities, you need to have structures to be taken out, right? So example, if you want to go up, you need to form a support, higher high, and then higher low. If you want to go down, you need to form lower lows and lower highs, resistance, and then go down. That's the whole idea of it. So if there's no structure, then it can't go up. Even if it goes up, there's no entry first. Six minutes to go.
So this one, the thing you said you would go above for this one is not on the 15 minutes, but on the hourly time frame.
Yeah, on the hourly and the 30-minute perspective, not the 15. That is why it's very important to shift through all the time frames. just to watch what they are doing, right? Like now we understand that the 30 is rejecting this resistance. So if the next candle opens up, there's a very high probability for us to go create a top wick and then just melt back to the downside,
Understood.
right? Lower lows, lower highs.
So like here it makes sense lah.
Yes,
This one
100%.
is no, this
Broke
one.
with
This one, right?
resistance. Yep.
Okay.
The 30 is better actually. If you go to your 30, that's a perfect type A buy, right?
It closed a bit.
Yep. Body closed above. Next
Yeah.
candle respected the previous resistance, and then we broke the high. Simple as that.
But why is it okay for this candle to be overextended, break the closure, and then to go up and you're okay with
Because
it?
this candle engulfed a body within a single candle, not multiple overextended candles.
Okay.
Right? If you look at this here, this is multiple overextended candles, right? And if you get a sell below that, the probability goes down for it to continue lower or even higher. But if it's your first candle and it broke during volume session, right? This candle closed exactly at 2 o'clock over here, right? Which means we are carrying volume with us. That's why we broke the resistance. The next candle came down,
It's
create a
the
bottom
first
week.
green candle like you're telling.
Yep. But it also depends on the session, the time frame that you're looking at. Everything has to correlate.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky lah.
Yeah.
I'm still new to it.
So you can just open up your WhatsApp. I did send you the structure. If you compare the structures with the screenshots that I sent you, it'll be way easier for you to understand.
Let me go and check. The invalid entries, is it?
Yes, that's the one.
So now, if it closed around here, you would try to put on small copy.
At least 30% or 50%, and then
Around here, and then you'll take it below here lah.
Yep. Type B impulse. It's 3 more minutes to go. But I would like to see a stronger bottom week, something like this. That would be better. But let's see. Good. That's good. Beautiful. 2 minutes to go.
So for buy, you need 2 more candles lah.
For buy, yeah, I want to see one candle closing bullish above, and then we go in on the 4th candle.
Got it.
Because your buys is your plan B. So for plan B, you need proper confirmation. For plan A, you can go with impulse because you're going with the direction of the higher time frame. Right, 2 minutes. Let's see. Be prepared with your lot size and all that. You can also have an average stop loss. Like we know that we want to see price retracing over here. So from 50% of the candle to here, how big is your lot size and all that? Yeah, it's around 30 pips, 30-40 pips. Yeah. So what I like to do is I will just round it off, add another 10 pips on top. Just to include the spread and all that.
One should be okay lah.
Yeah, 40 pips, $400. Yeah.
One, so if it's 40, so about 80 lah. 80 pips.
1 lot 40 pips is $400. Your risk is $450.
Yeah, correct. Is that okay?
Yeah, should be good. 1.15 is also okay as well. Do you have the lot size measurement with you, bro? The one that we wrote down? Yeah, just follow that.
Yeah, but I think 40 is okay. Oh, okay, wait.
Right, there we go. new topic. So as we know, you need to wait for 1 minute, and
Yeah.
then let's see if it
40
breaks.
points is 40 points is okay, right?
Yeah, should be good. Should be good. But this is just an anggaran, like, you just going with speculation because the candle hasn't really printed a proper topic. We only have a proper topic once the first 1 minute candle closes. So that
Yeah.
will give us the proper stop loss.
Uh-huh.
10 seconds to go. Oh,
Where do you see the time?
I'm watching my clock.
Okay. Oh,
Right, this is beautiful. So now you see, 1 minute has passed and we are now printing the proper topic. At this point, if you break, that will be your actual stop loss.
if it breaks above this, then we cancel the thing.
Yeah, we cancel it. I mean, not really. If it closes
Oh,
above, then yes, you can cancel. Right. Let's see. So be very aggressive with your risk management. Right, I'm gonna be silent at this point. I want to see you executing and managing on your own. Quite a slow day.
Hmm?
Quite a slow day.
Yeah, it is.
Eight more minutes for a new 15. So if your 15 closes above, then the cells becomes invalid.
Yeah. What a slow day.
Yeah, man.
You only had one this one now.
Sorry, bro?
You only had one trade over here. The
Yeah.
one about but I wouldn't have done it no matter what now. I didn't know.
Yeah.
I
That's why
wouldn't-
you have to shift through. Every 5, 10, 15 minutes, just go through every time frame and look through the candles.
But isn't our one too large of a time frame?
That's even better.
Really?
The bigger the time frame, the stronger the confluence, bro.
Oh, okay. So on a 15, this is like a type D.
Yeah,
But on a
if you close
30,
bullish,
it's a type A. Right?
it's not really a type A, but
Type
it's
B. Yeah.
it's a weak fill. It's just filling in the range on the left.
So I mean this one. If we
Yeah,
close
yeah,
here and then
technically.
that one goes up.
Yep, technically yes.
Okay.
4 minutes to go for a new 15. So let's see.
Hmm.
If this current 15 closes bearish, something like this, then it's still valid for the cells to go back down. But if it close strong bullish, then there's no more cells.
Yep. We are completely forgot this thing of this one closed.
Yeah, 5 minutes to go. Anything can happen in the last, even the last 1 minute. You can just close like this all of a sudden.
Doji. If we close Doji, I'm calling it a deal.
No, if you close doji, your cells are still on. It's a type D cell on the 15.
If this close Doji,
Yeah.
then Ila.
Yeah, either a doji or a bearish candle, it doesn't really matter. As long as you close rejecting the area. The next candle creating a top wick and breaking this low. That's your sell as well still.
So we keep it to this one.
Yeah, I just don't want to see the body closing above. If the body closes above like this, then it's invalid. But if the body closes below this area, then you're still good for the cells. That's
So whatever, if we close bullish, then we look for type D. If we close
no, if we close above, then we look for a buy. We close below, we look for a sell.
Okay.
4 minutes to go. Three minutes to go. Last 3-minute candle. Today is more on patience.
A lot of patience.
Yeah. Not jumping into all the setups, just waiting for your entry. One minute to go. $50 seconds. Yeah, doesn't look good for the cells. Let's see.
But it's okay. It's the type D is there.
Yeah, the type D buys is there, but you're gonna go half the risk.
Yeah.
Because it's against your direction.
Yeah. I mean, it's what I wanted from the start, for it to close above the no trading zone.
Yeah, better entry.
Yeah, more comfortable. The risk? Are you sure we don't have the risk? We can.
Yeah, we can close it off. Let's see. The last minute is.
But suddenly it goes down. Oh no.
Body is still above, right? So let's see what happens.
Wait for 1 minute, huh?
Yeah, wait for 1 minute.
I've been on the screen for from 12:45 to 2 hours.
Sometimes it happens.
Oh, I'm gonna follow what you say next time.
Yeah, every 30 minutes.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, I'm gonna put because it's gonna touch the resistance.
Yeah. So check your stop loss first.
Yeah. Maybe about 386. Around there.
It's around 37 pips.
I think I can go with one lah.
That's about $300, yeah, plus minus.
One is $300.
Now it's 450 if you go with one lot because stop loss is 45 pips now.
Oh, depends on where
I would
this
say
closes.
let the candle flip bullish first, and then
Yeah.
we can get a better idea. So
Okay.
if you don't flip bullish and we break back below this area, now you're gonna wait for the candle to close and then continue back looking for a sell.
Bro, that's crazy. I think we are calling it already at 3 o'clock.
I'll be going on up to 3:45 because
3:45.
yeah, Uncle
Yeah,
Ambrose will be coming in.
yeah, you came at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock lah, makes sense. I've been on
Yeah.
the screen from 1 o'clock. Oh, now I can't even look for a type D buy
Yeah,
already.
there's no trade. So now I'm just gonna wait for the 30 to close. Let's go back to your 30-minute, bro.
Oh my goodness.
30-minute,
This is
right?
horrible.
30 closes bearish. Exact same trade idea, but then now we are applying it on the 30-minute time frame. Next candle just needs a top wick and break the low. Exactly the
Type,
same.
type B lah.
Yeah, type B. Exactly the same trade idea, but it's on the higher time frame. Better confluence, better confirmation. So yeah,
Okay.
and also 3 o'clock we have London Open as well. So that's one good thing.
You're killing me lah, bro.
It is what it is. You just have to wait for your setup.
Oh, should I just went in here lah?
Yeah. Know when
No,
to execute impulse. That's very, very good.
I have no idea how to do this one lah. This is new to me lah. So I
Yeah,
mean I don't read anything lah.
yeah, every day we learn something new. No worries.
So, I mean this is even like not fully I learned something. The setup is so messy and you ask me to go inside here. I'm like, yo, what?
Because it's clean on the 30 but messy on the 15. That's the difference.
Yeah, it is. I mean,
It's beautiful on the 30, super clean.
yeah, because this is a big fail.
Yep.
Oh,
Beautiful trade then. Yeah, no worries, no worries. We got 11 more minutes to go. If you feel like you don't want to continue with this current session, come back tomorrow. If you feel like it's fine, then just hold on. But I'll be taking over at 3 o'clock.
I know.
I'm going to share my screen. $11 minutes to go.
3 o'clock would be good. Once I have a funded account, I'll join you at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, for sure.
Then we can trade together and I don't have to wait. Or maybe can trade in the morning a bit.
Yep. 2 trades a day.
No, I mean train in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean like when there's no training in the morning, I can trade in the morning also.
Yep.
Oh shit.
See what happens. But at this point, even if the candle flies out, I'm not going to take a trade because we have a new hourly closure in the next 10 minutes. So I'm just going to wait.
So taking a trade at 2 o'clock is good to look at the hourly candle.
Hourly,
Because-
and also the hour 4 because it's a new hour 4 candle.
Okay. I mean, hour 4 didn't have anything right just now. Yeah, I didn't.
It broke its own high and flipping bullish. Creating a bottom wick and then flipping bullish.
So yeah, hour 1 would have been good like over here.
I would say the 30 was the best. It had
This one lah.
yeah, it had beautiful structure on the 30. Can't do much. 10 more minutes, exactly 10 minutes.
I mean, I don't have a trade now at all.
Yeah, there's no trade. Even if it melts down, there's no trade.
Yeah. I give it one good attempt at 3 o'clock to 3:15.
Yep.
That's all. Then I'm shoving at 3:15.
Boleh. So if this current 15 closes bearish, next 15 needs a top wick, break the low.
Yeah.
Type A.
Yeah. Type B sell, basically.
Yep.
Oh. Like
Because
what is it? Been leaving from 12:45. Today I was there from 12:30, but I wasn't looking at the clock so much. I was on my laptop early.
patience is the game. Just have to. That's why I like to go like at 3 o'clock, because 3 o'clock is exactly when the volume comes in. London Open and all that. So you come in 15 minutes early, do your analysis, just watch if there's any entries. If there's no entry, just wait for your market to open. Get your trade within the next half an hour or 15 minutes, and then be out. So overall, it's gonna be plus minus 1 hour. That's it. That's my favorite session, London Open.
London is your favorite session,
Yeah, London Open, yes.
not New York.
Nope. New York is where I like to watch movies, man. But then because we have students now, we have to go live.
Oh, that's why June you don't want to have New York lah.
Yeah, I want to get my schedule right.
Oh, understood.
But it's up to your schedule. If you're working in the morning and then you only have night time to be trading, then that's your session.
No, London is perfect because I can train in the morning and then I
Yeah,
can train at night.
just nice.
Yeah. I think once I have funded, maybe first few times here and there lah. Sometimes I do myself, sometimes I follow you guys.
Yeah. Right, Uncle Ambrose is in. Bro, I'm gonna start sharing my screen.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Welcome, Uncle Ambrose.
Yeah.
Um,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon, Uncle. Peace be with you.
Peace be with you.
Hi, uncle.
Hi.
Right, let me share my screen. Give me a second.
I'll stop share.
Yeah, stop sharing your screen.
I can still take the trade like normal, right?
Yeah, you still can. No worries. All good. Beautiful. Can see my screen? Yeah, I think it's loading. Right. Beautiful. All right. So yeah, just waiting for this candle to close bearish. Next candle creates a top wick, breaks the low. We're gonna go in for a sell. Lows, lower highs. Clean structure. Yeah, below the bottom wick. As long as the next candle creates a top wick and breaks the low, we're going in. We got another 5 more minutes. See what happens. Not bad. 41 pips drop. But I still want to see us closing bearish. If you don't close bearish, then we have to wait even more. Right? That won't be a trade. Yeah, I like how the Howley is gonna close as well. Doji candle. This is what I meant earlier, Oliver. Howley closing doji. Next candle breaks the low, we go in for a sell straight away. As long as you have a top wick. Yeah. Yep. Yes, exactly at 3 o'clock. Yeah, it looks 4 more minutes to go. It's quite possible. Yeah. 4 minutes. Daily bearish, hold 4. Yeah, hold 4 is flipping back bearish. Yeah, looks good. I'm just gonna focus on the Howley. Uncle had your lunch? Yeah, I had mixed rice. Brunch, early lunch. Yeah, I ate outside earlier because I was running some errands and then I just had my lunch then. My brunch. Today, Wednesday. Heading to church, Uncle, tonight? No. It's a solemnity or something. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. I think tomorrow night. Yeah, tomorrow at 8 o'clock, the multilingual one. Hmm. Sabahans, I go for the bahasa Sabahans. Yeah, there's very few Filipinos in our church. No, they have two different masters. One is English, and then the last one is for multilingual. Because some people they can't attend, so the priest he wanted to cater for everyone. Hmm. Yeah. Yes, Tamil is tonight, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, correct. English is it? Double check. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is English. Yep. 7 o'clock, and then tomorrow it's 1 p.m. English, and then 8 p.m. Multilingual. Ooh man, that's the wrong push. 2 minutes to go. But yeah, our trade idea worked out, but then not on the right candle. Sell 82 pips. Beautiful. No, I wouldn't really go in as a type C for that. This would be a better type C, like this, and then yeah, this one. You could clearly see the three candles, going up or going down, like 1, 2, 3 candles. Correct. So it's a bit off. But yeah, let's see. 1 minute to go. London Open. Just wanted to push a little bit higher so that we have a proper bottom wick. 1 minute. Come on, man. Reject. Yeah, good. 30 seconds to go. Either way, we're gonna leave 1 minute to spare, and then only then we go in at 3-1 or 3-2. 20 seconds to go. Yeah, let's go with 30. Yeah, 30 should be good. But don't put it now yet. Let the next candle form first. 3, 2, 1. Right, new candle just open up. This needs a top wick, then a break. Oh, beautiful, man, beautiful. Got the top wick. Good enough. Right. I'm not really concerned about the size of the top wick as long as you break the previous support. I'll be going in for a sell. Stop loss will be stuck to around 40 pips from entry point. Right, can go in with a sell stop, everyone. No, my stop loss, I'm going to place it on the body of the candle. Once it flips, we'll have a a bearish body, correct? The top of the hard candle. That's where I'm gonna put my stop loss. So it's gonna be around round it off to 40 pips. Plus minus. Right. Because it's an overextended candle, so I can't afford to put in my stop loss all the way at the high. So I'm gonna use half of the range. So yeah, sell stop can go in at 469879. 469879. Be wary of your what's it called? Spread. Right? Be very, very cautious with your spread. If it's too close to your entry, then just push it a little bit lower because my spread is quite tight. So that is where I'm gonna go in for a sell. Forty ngam ngam. 40 pips. Exactly. Yep. No matter what, I'm not gonna jump into the buys. I'm just gonna wait. Right? Give it 15 minutes. If there's no entry, then we need to post plan our trade. See what we can do. Yeah, no worries, no worries. No worries, man. All good, all good. Yeah, $400. Yep. Send. Yep. Right, so everything is on the screen. Final TP, where to go close 90%, and also entry point. Everything is there, so just follow that. %. Let's go with 90% because it's quite a big range. Right. Just need to wait. Nothing. Yeah, I would say 3:45. I'm gonna wait up till 3:40. Depends on what the candle does. Because 3:30 we have a new 30-minute candle. And if that candle breaks the low, then you have a new stop loss at the point. Gonna be a type C on the 30-minute time. And also the 15 as well. Depends. Everything is laid out on the screen. Just follow. Right? Almost in. Almost in. There. Hey, very close. Out in. Uncle, once you're in, let me know, Uncle. Alright, beautiful. Okay, so let's see what happens. 0.05, Uncle. It's Wednesday. Why? So fast. Yeah, should have closed at here, Uncle. Only then you make around 40 plus. Should have closed here. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, just let your balance go. So you made around 5, is it? 21, okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, very nice push. Right, price came back to entry point. This is where you should start managing your trades. We tapped and then we rejected. So this is where you should manage. After this, if it goes, it goes. Yeah. But we did get around 20 pips in profits. No, uncle is the only one who closed. I just managed my risk, that's it. Still got it. Not yet, uncle. Still holding the trade. I just closed 80%. and I'm just holding the trade now. Yeah, because once price taps this area here, manage risk once price taps and goes back to entry point, goes 80%. Yeah, I really wrote it down there. 30% of your 1-to-1 range. You shouldn't do that. If it does that, that means we have a very high chance of flipping back bullish. That is why I closed 80%. The moment it went back to my entry point. And now if it goes to 50%, I'm gonna be out of the full trade. No reason to hold it anymore. Yeah, I'm out out of the trade. Yeah, close full, uncle. Did you manage your trade well, Oliver? Yeah, so always remember when I put this up here, right? Once price goes into profit, it means it shouldn't come back to entry point. The moment it comes back to entry point negative, $1, $2 doesn't really matter. Even profit $1, $2, just close 80% immediately. 80%. It's already written there, right? So yeah. For this current setup, it's 11 pips, but then when you go by 1-to-1 range, that is 30% of your range. Yeah, yeah, correct. And then after that, immediately bring down your stop loss to 50% of your range. So at that point, you will only lose around 10, 20, $30. It's gonna be very less, right? Yes, that's the trade. I'm not gonna take any more trades. No second chance as well, because yeah, we waited for a long time, waited for our trade to work out. But yeah, Uncle, did you manage to secure some profits, Uncle? Oh, nice, nice. You close full. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Yeah, that's about it for today. Congrats on whoever got the win. And yeah, I sadly I managed my research. I'm out at break even. I didn't really secure much. Yeah, that's the trade. Congrats, Uncle Ambrose. Good trade. Beautiful, beautiful. 40 today. Yesterday, sorry, day before yesterday, you made 20, right? 4, 5, 6. 6%. 6% in a week. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yesterday, the sell you missed out was very nice. The London sells. At 3 o'clock. Yeah, then 3 o'clock there was a good structure, so just went in. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Was correct. Now suddenly, all of a sudden. It's fine. You're still up for the week, so it's good enough. 7%. Okay, 6-7%. Yeah, just London, no more New York. So daily London classes like a one session a day. That's it. Only entries, no more education. Because it's taking up a lot of my time, so I need to reschedule my whole life. Right, so that's about it. Congrats on the win, and congrats on the risk management as well. All right, no worries, Uncle. See you, Uncle. Peace to you. Oliver, send me the screenshot of your entry as well. I want to see how much you lost. Ooh, shit. He didn't manage properly, that's why. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No worries, no worries. Practice demo. Yeah, 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 no worries. Oliver, send me the entries, and then I will put in your Excel, and I'll forward back to you. All right, beautiful. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thanks for joining. I see you guys tonight. Bye bye.